Hi everyone, welcome back. Obviously, we are not in my sewing room. My husband and I are on vacation for a few weeks in Florida, and so today you might actually hear the roar of the ocean in the background. In today's video, I wanted to give you just behind the scenes tour of the Pink Holly Bush Sewing Circle. If you're watching this in real time, the doors to the Sewing Circle, our membership community at Pink Holly Bush, will be opening at the end of March. And so I thought you might enjoy actually seeing what it looks like on the computer behind the scenes. But first, if you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Lisa, the owner and designer of Pink Holly Bush Designs. The goal of Pink Holly Bush Designs through our patterns and courses is to help women confidently master the skills of smocking, heirloom sewing, and sewing with knit fabrics so they can confidently create clothes that they and their families will love. So as I mentioned, the Pink Holly Bush Sewing Circle will be opening its doors soon. The Pink Holly Bush Sewing Circle is a community of like-minded women who love to sew, many of whom also love to smock. We come together virtually to encourage each other to try new techniques, to expand our sewing and smocking skills, and to cheer each other on with our sewing endeavors. Now, as I mentioned, the Sewing Circle opens its doors quarterly, and that is because we have quarterly sewing challenges. So the doors will be opening again, if you're watching this in real time, at the end of March, because we will start our new challenge on April 1st. If you're not watching this in real time, please sign up for the wait list. I'll put the link for that below. Because the doors do open quarterly, and we would love to meet you then. Okay, with that, I'm going to take us over to the computer. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you exactly what the Sewing Circle looks like once you're a member. Okay, here we are on the Pink Holly Bush home screen, and you'll see this says welcome to the Sewing Circle. This is the home page for the Sewing Circle, so you get access to this once you've joined. So let's go down here. Now you'll see when you come that there are these 4 boxes, 1 through 4, right? And the first one with this nice arrow says, welcome to the Sewing Circle. And these are your orientation videos. So there's a series of videos right here that walk you through each of the parts of the Sewing Circle, show you how to access everything, and then how to also post, how to work with PDF patterns. If you've never done that, there's a whole bunch of intro information here. The second box here that you will see, this is the Sewing Success Path. And this is a small course that I developed to help our members challenge themselves in their sewing skills without overdoing it. The Sewing Success Path actually breaks down smocking, heirloom sewing, and working with knit fabrics. And it lays out what I consider beginner fabrics and techniques, intermediate, and then advanced. So you really can see where you are in each of those areas and then push yourself a little bit beyond your comfort zone without overdoing it. You'll find, and all of that is right here in this sort of series of videos. The next thing you'll notice is get started sewing with knits. I do have a real focus on working with knit fabrics. That seems to be something that many of our members are a little nervous about, and yet knit fabrics are really what I'm finding younger people want clothes made out of. And so this Get Started Sewing with Knits is again another little mini course that walks you through the easiest fabrics to work with, gives some recommended patterns to start with, and just helps you think through how to be successful right off the bat. And again, not take on something that's too difficult for your first project. And then the fourth box, you'll see here, Winter 26 Sewing Challenge. And this will have our latest challenge will be right here. And you'll see the little box that says, let's begin. So let me click on that and I'll show you what happens. Okay, and here it goes to our winter challenge. Okay, and if you click on let's get started, give it a minute. There it is. There's the winter challenge. We click down here. You'll see the challenge explained, the resources for it, tips for sewing with double knits, because that was our technique video. I'll talk about that in a minute. For January, tips working with sweater knits. That was the February technique video. And then working with fleece was our March technique video. And the challenge for Winter 26 was to sew a garment using a heavy knit, such as a double knit, a sweater knit, or fleece. So there were technique videos for each of those. In the resources, I gave pattern recommendations, and our members had the choice of sewing a garment for themselves or for a child. And there were pattern recommendations for both of those, or they were free to pick something. They didn't need my my recommendations, and actually most of them did not. They picked something different, but the pattern recommendations gives them a sense of where to start. So let's go back to our homepage. So these are all courses with videos to help you through those different stages. Then you go down here and you'll see the sewing library, the sewing room, the replay, and then the live call link. So I'll go through each of these as well. Let me scroll down here. So as part of this sewing circle, we meet monthly via Zoom, and the live call link right here is one way. I also send out the link every month, but you can always go here and click on the live Zoom meeting and get in that way. Our calendar is down here, and you'll see we have one coming up today as I'm filming this on March 10th, but the calendar shows the next one will be April 7th. So each of the meeting days are there on the calendar. The replay, this is the link to if our members can't join us, it's recorded, and this takes you right to that recording to watch it. All right, let me go over these two things. We have the sewing library and the sewing room, and these are two other key places. So the sewing library is where all of the technique videos live. So let me take you there and just show you that. I'm going to be a little slow here, the computer this morning. Here we are. Okay, so this is our sewing library, and each of these are different videos that you can look for any technique that you need. And I pull them out and put them with the challenge, but they're all here as well. So if there's one that is particular for the challenge we're working with, I put that in the course as well. But you'll see that they are divided up by category. So these are all on pleating and smocking construction. These are on different smocking stitches. We have working with knit fabrics. Okay, so you see here that one on sweater knits is here as well, even though it's also part of our current challenge. We have one on quilting knits. we have 3 different V-neck lines. We have a turn-on seam, binding, testing, knit stitches, bust adjustments for knits, so hemming knits. And down here we have woven construction techniques. So we have one on a split neckline. We have buttons and buttonholes, the burrito method to finish the armholes, a French binding, making piping, pleating wovens. And then we go down into heirloom sewing techniques. So twin needle pin tucks, attaching entredot and rickrack, scallop edging, piped and bound edging, adding lace and pin stitching. Down in understanding fabrics, we have exactly different videos on different types of fabrics, double gauze sweater knits, double brushed poly, all of the voile. Then we have some on pattern hacking. And then a number on the different embroidery stitches if you want to add embroidery to your sewing. And then down here, you see here are all of the replay of the Zoom meetings. And we have a few other ones here. So the little drum ornament was a bonus that our members received to do the smocked ornament. These are the videos that show you how to do that. And then down on miscellaneous, I have the Buttercup sew along, some different ones, how to pick the correct size, ornament toppers, etc. Now you might notice that there is some overlap here between these videos and YouTube. The monthly technique video that our members see here never shows up on YouTube. It is only for the members. However, if I put something on YouTube that I consider more of a technique video, for example, I just made the Buttercup sew along, and that is on YouTube. I will put it here as well, so our members do not have to go looking for it on YouTube. It will be here, but that does not count as that monthly technique video. So that is the sewing library. So let's go back to the Sewing Circle homepage, and I'm going to take you to the sewing room. Now, the sewing room is our members group forum. It's a way for our members to connect and share with each other, ask questions, encourage one another in between our Zoom meetings. And this is entirely hosted on the Pink Holly Bush website. They do not need to be part of Facebook or anything else like that. It is right hosted here on the website. So we have it broken down into different categories just to make it a little bit easier to navigate and find things. So I have one on sewing resources, one on my sewing life. So people will share under my sewing life things that they're sewing that don't pertain to the challenge that we're working on right now. We have welcome and introductions, and you'll see that the fall one is still here. I make the old one go away each time when we get into a new one, and then you'll see here. So this is just some of the group feed down here, and different questions and responses from our different members, just some of the wonderful projects that they've finished and posted, letting each other know about sales that are going on. And that's, and then different questions on measurements and all these different, another wonderful creation from some of our members. So you'll see all of that is here in the group forum, and a lot of fun and interaction and encouragement among the different members. And so let's go back to our homepage. And then just the last thing is you'll see there our members do receive some discounts for being members. And so their coupon codes will be found down there. So that is the tour of the Pink Holly Bush Sewing Circle. If you have any questions about how the sewing circle works, please reach out. I'd love to answer them for you. I hope you will consider joining the sewing circle. We are a wonderful, friendly, enthusiastic group of sewists, and we would love to meet you. Thank you for joining me on this little tour, and happy sewing.